Look, it's like, you know that train? Your arms are broken. That train? It's like a break your arms.
Well, my old John Deere finally broke down. I used it every day, I drove it into the ground. So I went to get a new one way uptown. But I was out of luck, cause they're all out. So I found a used tractor off Craigslist. There was no picture, but I couldn't resist. So, the words. Here we go. I got stuck with the pretty pink tractor. Go take a peek. It's out in the pasture. People make fun, but it don't matter. It drives real loud, so you can't hear the laughter. And it's a sweet song when you turn in the corner. Flower weekend will be when it gets warmer. When I think about it, just getting madder. I got stuck with the pretty pink tractor. Pretty pink. Just when I thought it could get no worse, my daddy came by Sunday after church. He said, son, don't you listen to the big mouth jerks. And if people make fun, hit them with your purse. And I got stuck with the pink tractor. Show it to my pastor. People make fun, but it don't matter. I got stuck with the big pink tractor. Teletubby cover on the seat. It's like a redneck Sesame Street. I got stuck with the pretty pink tractor. Barbie would drive it. She drive it all right. I got stuck with the pretty pink tractor.